Okay, we're going to do our math lesson. In this one, it's count up to 4 objects and match the numbers. So let me share my screen. All right, so it says I can count up to 4 objects and match the numerals. So we're going to start. You should have a plate. Here, let me stop sharing for a second. You should have a plate from Friday, and you had an envelope attached to this paper, which hopefully you did on Friday and turned it in so that way it was on time. And inside that envelope, there was some numbers and some cotton balls. And that is what we're going to use today for this part of the lesson. So let me go back to sharing my screen. Okay, it says that there are teddy bears at a fair and they want to go for a ride on the merry-go-round. I'm going to show you a number and we're going to see how many teddy bears want to get on. We're going to pretend it says the dot is the gate, but you should have a paper clip. This one doesn't. I'm glad I checked. There we go. Paper clip. We're going to pretend like the paper clip. Remember the paper clip that you had Friday? That's what we're going to use. So I'm going to turn this down here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to show you numbers. So pick a spot for your paper clip. And of course, I found one right there. Okay, I'm going to show you a number and we are going to put that many. We're going to pretend like these are our bears. So what number is this? 1. So we're just going to put 1 and then we're going to count it. 1. Okay, let's do another number. How about this number? What number is this? 3. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try another one. What number is this one? 2. So I'm just going to do 1, 2. Let's count them. 1, 2. And this lesson actually is supposed to go up to 4. So I'm going to show you another number. What number do you think that is? 4. So we're going to get out our bears, or cotton ball bears. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to count them, practice counting around. Remember, this is where we marked our spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to go back to share my screen. I'm going to pass this. So if you want to try it on your own, there's 3, 2. Ooh, this one's going to be a challenge. See if you can do 5. So what number is it? And then you're going to do it on your plate. Okay, skipping this part. Okay, so on this, we're just going to do this little poem. It says, 1 little flower, 2 little bees, 3 little bluebirds in a tree. Nice warm sun shines down on me. I can count 1, 2, 3. 4 little kittens come out to play on this warm and sunny day. So let's look. So here I have a picture and it's of a flower, and I want you to use your number cards that you also brought with you and show me, or you can just show someone at home, what number of flowers you see. So hopefully you looked at your number cards and you're like, oh, I only see 1. Okay, let me go back. Okay, and then looking at the bees, how many bees do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2. And then you're going to look for your number card. 2. Okay, let's go back to it. Counting the birds. 1, 2, 3. You're going to look for your number card. You should have 3. Go back. Okay, and this one is the number 4. We're just going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody say 4. Okay, so for practice, what we're going to do is, what I want you to do is you have an envelope and it has some cats. It has 4 cats. And then I just want you to practice, and you can write a number 4 or use your dot cards that has a 4 to do it too. You're just gonna pick a number like out of your numbers, like 3. And then you're going to count out that many. 1, 2, 3. Or I could pick another number and I could go, 2. I'm going to use my cats. 1, 2. So practice laying out numbers like that. So that way you can practice doing these numbers and matching them. All right, that is our math lesson for the day.